So for newcomers to Tai Chi who've never done Tai Chi before, I just want to show you a basic introduction to Cloud Hands. What is Cloud Hands? Cloud Hands is an excellent exercise that's practiced in all of the primary teachings of Tai Chi. You know, there are four, actually there are more than four, but primarily there's four practices of Tai Chi, or studies of Tai Chi, or lineages of Tai Chi. So you got Chen style, which is the oldest, you got Yang style, Sun style, Wu style, and there's several others. But they all practice Cloud Hands a little bit differently, but fundamentally it's the same. So I only want to show you the basics to do someday in nature. Just find yourself a big, beautiful spot like this in nature and just relax your whole body. And what you want to do is just coordinate your movements, okay? This is two-handed, but I'm only going to show you one-handed, okay? Because this is for absolute beginners. What you're going to do is put your hand on your hip, doesn't matter which side. You're going to raise up your hand and you're going to relax and sink your energy down and raise your hand up. We're making an arc like this. We're making an arc. Okay, so we're sinking our energy down and raising up the energy over on the other side. And then you're going to go across the middle, backhand if you want, like Yang style. Chen style, we drop the energy. We're going to turn the hand over. So it's whatever you're going to be comfortable with. Rising and coming across, either way. And then practice both sides. Okay, put your arm out straight. And don't do it with muscles. Don't drop with muscles. You want to think of it like flowing energy, like this beautiful flowing river. Okay? You're going to be sinking your energy down. Notice I'm bending my knees slightly, and I'm flowing over. And I'm turning my body slightly. This is really important with Cloud Hands, but I don't want to overwhelm you with all of the details quite yet. We're sinking and rising. You can go across with the back of your hand, or you can go across with the front of your hand. Either way, you want to stay nice and relaxed and coordinate your breathing. So breathing out, breathing in, going across. Breathing out, sinking down, rising up, and coming across. And again, do both sides, coordinated with your breathing. Very, very deep relaxation. And when you're doing this, try to connect with nature. Nice deep breaths, gentle breaths, beautiful flowing movements. Coordinating body movement, slow, beautiful, fluid movement. Both sides, nice and fluid, nice and relaxed. And this is Cloud Hands. A very fundamental Tai Chi exercise. There's a lot of detail to it. We can get into that later, but I just want to show you this one-handed cloud hand exercise. Practice this. If you're a beginner, you've never done it, just simply put your hand on your side, raise your arm out, and slowly move your arms. That's all there is to it for now. It's a beautiful, beautiful exercise, coordinated with breathing and the right mindset. Nice, relaxed, positive mindset. Can be absolutely life-changing, to be honest with you. If you're committed to trying this out, preferably in nature, but not always, this beginner exercise can be something that anybody, including you, can do. Cloud Hands.